Hello everyone, let's take some time out to understand how new features available in ZENworks 2017 Update 1 can add value to your business. Before we talk about ZENworks 2017 Update 1, let's do a quick recap on what are the core value propositions of ZENworks 2017 are. ZENworks 2017 offers great business value. It can help you save time and money, increase your IT efficiency, and improve your end user productivity and satisfaction. So, how does ZENworks 2017 help you save time and money? With ZENworks 2017, you can manage everything in a unified way, be it your Windows, Linux, Macintosh, or mobile devices. You can manage all of them from a single console using a consistent and unified management paradigm. This means that you can save on time and money by needing to learn only a single tool and by leveraging a single license and hardware. With ZENworks 2017, you also have flexibility in choosing the underlying servers or database. ZENworks 2017 can work with Windows or Linux servers. It is even available as a virtual appliance. On database front, you can choose between Sybase, Postgres, Oracle, or MS SQL. With this wide choice of hardware and platforms, you can save money by choosing to continue with your existing hardware and software. Increasing the IT efficiency. ZENworks 2017 can act as a force multiplier in your organization. It offers true application lifecycle management. You can deploy applications with ZENworks Configuration Management, control every application launch, update, and uninstall applications. You can even choose to terminate applications based on schedules. ZENworks Configuration Management provides a policy-driven management, which allows you to configure or lock down your mobiles or workstations. You can also deploy OS or migrate your users from one version to another. All this is possible from a single web-based management tool. ZENworks helps you manage by exception, which can increase your efficiency manyfold. With this, you can choose to manage by folder or group instead of managing individual devices or users. However, importantly, you can still make exceptions to rules where you need to without changing the rules for everyone. ZENworks can also help you improve user productivity and satisfaction. ZENworks 2017 provides an identity-based management. This means that you can deliver what the user needs on the device they need it and where they need it. You can manage users based on device they are using and the location from where they are currently accessing the network from. This ensures that policies, applications, configurations follow users as they move across locations and devices. This allows users to be more productive while ensuring that they are secure irrespective of device they are on. With inbuilt application launcher, users have single stop-shop access to access all their applications. Moreover, this launcher can be branded to meet your company guidelines. With included Micro Focus Service Test license, you can implement a full enterprise application store and further integrate workflows to support your business process. With ZENworks 2017 Update 1, we are delivering on our commitment to rapidly deliver new capabilities that help you add more value to business. Let's talk about top 5 features being added in ZENworks 2017 Update 1. These range from addition of capability to manage enterprise iOS devices to ability to secure user data and enhance support for modern hardware. Let's talk about how ZENworks 2017 Update 1 helps you manage your enterprise iOS devices in much better way. ZENworks 2017 Update 1 provides full support for Apple's Device Enrollment Program, or DEP as it is called. DEP allows you to purchase Apple devices in bulk from Apple, which you can then distribute directly to your end users without even removing the shrink wrap from the device. As and when end user sets up the device, it would just get enrolled in ZENworks. It only requires a simple configuration to set up Apple DEP within ZENworks. This involves establishing a linkage between Apple and ZENworks aided by a configuration. Once configured, you can see within console all the devices you have purchased against the account. You can choose to configure the devices using the settings framework. By default, a set of most common settings are already applied, so potentially you can hit the ground running. If you find it all a bit familiar, that is because it is. Apple DEP uses the existing ZENworks paradigm of how discovered devices are managed and how settings are applied on devices, whether it be managed or discovered. This helps you save both time and money by providing you a single tool to manage everything in a unified and simple to use manner. With DEP, you can enable supervision mode on iOS devices over the air without even taking them out of their shrink wrap. This can manifold increase the pace at which you roll out your devices to end users and can help you avoid many problems encountered in physically attaching iOS devices to MacBooks and configuring them. With ZENworks policy-driven management, you can enforce newly introduced supervised device settings in device control policy to lock down the devices. Or if needed, using ZENworks principle of managing by exception, you can choose to lock down only specific devices. This unified way to manage devices, irrespective of platform or capabilities, ensures that you save time and money while needing fewer people to manage a wider variety of devices. All this leads to superior end-user experience as now devices enroll into ZENworks during initial setup itself without a need for a user to visit a specific URL or download an app. With Update 1, you can now also configure iOS apps which supports app configuration. This allows you to specify configuration upfront and helps your user avoid the pain and error while entering in server URLs, username, etc. The world has run out of IPv4 addresses and many organizations are moving to IPv6 addressing. Additionally, if you're looking to fully leverage Microsoft Direct Access, you need IPv6 based network. In Update 1, we have enabled ZENworks to support this next generation network running on IPv6 protocol. Your organization may not yet move, but the day your IT network shifts to IPv6 based addressing, ZENworks would be there supporting it. You can enable IPv6 address by few configuration changes in your zone. Typically, a migration of this scale happens with individual sites shifting over till the whole network is compliant. With ZENworks, you can manage this migration by having control over which location or devices use IPv6 based addresses. Using ZENworks management by exception, you can choose to leave out certain sites or devices. By using ZENworks reporting, you can save time and money by identifying problematic devices. All of this can happen without any end user intervention and thus ensuring that end user productivity is not impacted. With IPv6 support, you can increase the productivity of your end users by leveraging Microsoft Direct Access, which allows your users to access corporate information in a secure manner without a need for them launching a VPN every time they are not in corporate network. With ZENworks, you have a best-of-breed solution for delivering software to your users. However, it's not uncommon for users to bring software into the environment that potentially puts you at risk, both from a security and a licensing perspective. With Update 1, you can now identify such software installs. You just need to mention against a bundle the software it is delivering, and once done, you can now generate a report which would provide you with details of devices, where the software is installed, without the corresponding bundle being installed. With this information, you can take appropriate steps, saving yourself time and money. In today's mobile-enabled world, it is critical that you be able to keep your data secure. ZENworks Full Disk Encryption 2017 Update 1 now provides support for encrypting newer devices using UEFI-based firmware and GPT-based disks. Additionally, ZENworks 2017 Update 1 features improved FDE auditing, so you can rest assured that you can prove a device was encrypted if it gets lost or stolen. With regular security attacks being commonplace, it is absolutely imperative for an administrator to know the patching status of devices. In ZENworks Patch Management 2017 Update 1, it is not possible to access the patch dashboard without a need for a cumbersome plugin, so you can view the patch status snapshots from any modern browser on both traditional and mobile devices. This release also brings in a feature which prevents vendor superseded patches from being automatically disabled in the system, and thus helping you manage things in an improved manner and improving upon your IT efficiency. So there you have it. With new features available in ZENworks 2017 Update 1, we can help you save time and money, increase your IT efficiency, and help you improve end user productivity and satisfaction. Thanks for watching.